Getting ready to give my kids some of this Naturals toasted cinnamon squares. They absolutely love it, and it has no artificial preservatives, no artificial colors or flavors, no hydrogenated, no high fructose corn syrup. It looks really good. They absolutely love it, and I'm gonna serve them with this almond milk. Now, they've never had it, and it'll be really curious to know if they can taste the difference, so I'm really curious. I'll let you guys know. Eli, how was your cereal? I know you just took a bite of it. It looks delicious. Can you answer me? How was it taste?
Good.
Really, really good?
Yeah.
How's the milk?
The milk is good.
It's like flavored with cinnamon because of the, probably because of the cereal, huh?
Yeah. It's great.
You love it? Cool.